Hello, these are beautiful birds and their name is herons.
Yes, herons. They are the beautiful birds here. See?
Yes, their color are white and little bit black.
Little bit black and the yellow as well. See?
Yes.
See the beautiful herons.
And
See, yellow beaks.
and when the rain all deep in the grass and the sand, herons come.
Yeah, see? देखो पार्क पूरा भरा हुआ है पानी के साथ, है ना? टेप जो जहाँ पे सारे के सारे बेंचेस हैं उनकी सीट्स तक पानी आया हुआ है. बट एट लीस्ट हम क्या देख पा रहे हैं? वी आर एबल टू सी herons, the beautiful herons.
Herons.
Oh wow!
Herons fly. Herons drink.
Oh wow! Wow! See how beautiful!
And they all climb to the slide.
Yes, they're there on the slide.
I guess.
Can you hear them?
Yes.
Just yeah, beautiful herons.
I can hear them.
At least we could see herons, right? It is there on the slide too.
And
Yeah.
on the bench.
Yes. See, they look so beautiful. They're eating something.
Oh,
Yeah.
one in the grass
Yes.
and sand and the tree.
Now you are not able to play in the park, but you will be able to see beautiful herons.
When water is